guys, how are you today? Hope you're all doing well. I'm bringing you the monthly unboxing of Boxycharm. Just received this in the mail a couple of days ago and figured I'd wait to crack into it till I was with you all. Make sure you like and subscribe if you'd like to keep seeing more of me. And without further ado, let's crack this baby open. As always, we have our little card. This month's theme is Galaxy Glow. And as always, it does have the little picture. This does have the description and prices of all of the items in there. And, a 20% off purchase at coverfx.com. That's kind of nice. You know what? I will leave this coupon code in the description box for you in case you want to take advantage of it too, because why not? On to the first product. I'm just grabbing from the top like I usually do and work our way through. So the first thing that jumped into my hands here is a pure lip exfoliator. You can't even see the lettering because it's all in silver, so it's a little hard. But that's what it looks like. Let's see, it is called the Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. So with an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. And that retails for $17. $17 when I paid $21, not bad. Not a bad way to start off with. I actually really enjoy lip exfoliators. I'm sure you've heard me say in previous videos, my lips get very dry, especially in the winter. It's the worst ever. So for me, lip exfoliators are a must have. So this will get put to good use once I'm out of my e.l.f. one that I actually love so very much. But I just pulled it up today. I used it today and I just pulled it up and noticed it's only got this much left. And I use it pretty much every other day. So yep, we'll be probably cracking into this soon. I've had such a problem with dropping things yesterday and today. I don't know what it is. I've been the world's biggest klutz. I almost fell down the stairs yesterday. No reason. Walking downstairs, almost fell down. Just because that's me and that's how I roll, I guess. Okay, so next we have the CoverFX Shimmer Veil. This is their new product that came out, I want to say within the last month or two. This is in the color Amethyst. So this is really pretty purpley holographic color. This is if you've seen the Stila liquid eye shadows, this is pretty much that. So ignore the swatches I already have on my hand from another product. Because, that's what happens when you play with makeup all day long. You get swatches upon swatches upon swatches. Okay, so here we go with the shimmer veil. Oh, doggy. Look at how freaking pretty that is. Oh, my Lanta. That's beautiful. Okay, so it is, the liquid itself is purple. And there is purple and silver glitter. So it's got a silver shift to it. It's so beautiful. And I will say, I enjoy that the glitter doesn't feel chunky. You know how sometimes you get glitter in a product and you're rubbing it in and it's clump, 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 chunk, chunk, chunk. Yeah, no, this isn't like that at all. It's really gorgeous. So that I will definitely be excited to try out. That's nice. And this guy retails for $28. So this is the This is a multi-use shimmering cream color. It's crease proof, enough for the boldest of eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Suitable for all skin types. Oh, cool. So you could use this as a highlighter too. All right, next, my tried and true statement, you can never have too many brushes. So these are the Crown Pro Trio brush set. It says this 3-piece brush trio to contour your face to perfection. Small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. Conceal imperfections, highlight underneath the eyes. I probably wouldn't use that as a highlight brush, but maybe a concealer brush. The brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. And then finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. This reminds me a lot of my Morphe G5, which I use for under eye powder, sometimes bronzer if I'm really feeling it. But I like the pointed tips on these guys, so. But again, can never have too many brushes, and I like the clean look of the white and the pink. I'm all on board. That retails for $29.99. We're already at $75 with just those 3 products. Okay, moving on. The Smoky Eye Pencil from Vintage Cosmetics. This guy retails for $21, and it is an actual pencil. It's not like a glide-on gel pencil or anything like that. This is straight up pencil. So let's swatch it, see how pigmented it is. That's not bad. That wasn't like, I didn't go in super heavy. Oh, that's actually really nice. Feels really smooth, glides really nicely. Yeah, smudges pretty well. I don't usually leave a harsh line. I smudge mine out quite a bit usually. Not bad there. Let's read about this guy. It's a richly pigmented smoky eye pencil and delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The soft creamy formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. Yeah, when I put it on my hand, it just like super nicely glided on there. I didn't feel like it was pulling anything at all. So I know my hand is different from my eye, so it could be very different when I actually use it on my eyes. But I'm excited. This could have some good potential. I don't usually use pencils, but I'm not against them. And this guy retails for $21. So we're already at $96 in value. All right, last but not least. This is kind of a two-parter, I will say. This is the Ofra Cosmetics Pop-Up Mini Palette, and it came with a blush refill. So this is the color Godet, however you want to say. Blush Winter Rose Glow. So, interesting.
Oh my god!
I just dropped the blush now! I cannot win today. So the Pop-Up Mini Palette retails for $19, and it provides a perfect home for any magnetic makeup Godet. Oh, so that's just the name of it. Look at me and my uneducatedness. Items can be continually tailored and rearranged according to personal preference. The unique design is lightweight and travel-friendly, yet securely holds the Godets in place. And the blush offers strong pigment, long-lasting effect in a fabulous pressed powder blush. And that retails for $12, the blush itself, which I don't believe it's a full size. Let me pick it up off the floor and find out. I'm gonna guess that this is not a full size. I'm thinking this is like a sample or a mini size. If it is full size, shame on you, Ofra, because this is not a lot of blush. This will get someone nowhere. But the color itself is nice. I might like the color a lot. Rose golds tend to show up pretty well on me. I will say that based on some of the spoilers that were released, I'm not happy with my personal box. There was a Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette that came with another variation. I got variation 1. That's the variation I got. That's the one it'll tell you in the corner right here on your card. If you get Boxycharm, that's mine. It says V1. I don't think you're gonna be able to read it from this far away. I would have preferred the Naked Cosmetics highlighter. So the things that everybody got in their boxes were the Crown Brush Trio and the Shimmer Veil. I'm not sure if the Vintage Cosmetics was in everybody's box. I don't know. But I know that the other variations were the Pure Lip Exfoliator could have been a Sugar Lemon one, which I actually wanted more. I didn't know that this was going to be. I thought the Sugar Lemon one was like a guarantee for everybody. I was wrong. And this is what the variation, it was this, the Sugar Lemon, and I feel like there was one other lip exfoliator possibly that you could have gotten. I'm not upset about this though. This I'll use. That's fine with me. I didn't need the Sugar Lemon one. I prefer sticks anyway because they feel like they're easier to go on your lips, so I'm okay with that. The brush set, obviously I'm fine with. I like brushes. Shimmer Veil was nice, and I'll actually show you. It's completely dried down now. Like, completely. It is not budging anywhere. Like, at all. Some glitter does come off, though, so you do have to be aware of that. All in all, not terrible. I just would have preferred a couple of the other variations than what I received. It's not the worst thing in the world. I'm still getting plenty of value for what I paid for this box, so I'm not mad. I'm not upset. I guess I'm disappointed. As I would tell my child, I'm not mad at you, I'm disappointed. So not the worst, not the best. Pretty middle of the road. It's definitely not as bad as December's box? It was either November or December's box. I'll link it up here for you. That one I did not like. I was not a big fan. They redeemed themselves a little bit in January and February. It's okay. Some of the spoilers we've seen for March, though, seem to be pretty nice. So I'm really, really hoping that that's all the same for everybody. The 2 that they've already released, I'm hoping are for sure in everybody's box because they look great and I'm really excited. I will put the coupon code for CoverFX in the description box for you, as well as the information, the price list, and everything on these products that I got here, like I always do. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. But thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.